Good morning! Oh, Showko, please. You are too high in the morning. Why not? Oh, you are so always energetic. Because I drink this every day. Lemon hot water. That's it? Yes, no honey, no sweetness, no sugar. Oh, super. Power up! Wake up! Oh, what about you? How do you start your day? I have a special drink to wake me up. What is it? Oh, I know. Double espresso? No, better than that. It really wakes me up. What is it? This wasabi. I drink wasabi every morning. Shocking! I am awake. See, you're crying. How do you start your day? Please tell me in the comment. And don't drink wasabi in the morning. いってらっしゃい. Have a nice day.